Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the coolest tech out there. Literally, today, I'm super stoked to review the LG 10,000 BTU through-wall air conditioner. This little powerhouse is about to revolutionize the way you think about cooling small to medium-sized rooms. Get ready to dive in and learn all about this incredible air conditioner. First off, let's talk about energy efficiency. The LG 10,000 BTU uses an advanced refrigerant called R32, which means it's designed to be super eco-friendly. What does that mean for you? It means this air conditioner is going to save you money on your electricity bills, while also being gentler on the planet. And with an impressive ER rating of 10.7, we're talking top-of-the-line efficiency here, one of the highest in the industry. Now, when it comes to installation, this unit is specifically designed for through-the-wall installations. What does that mean? It means you won't need a window mount, and can simply stick it into your wall like a piece of furniture. No more complicated venting systems or unsightly air conditioning units on your windowsill. But what really sets the LG 10,000 BTU apart is its powerful cooling capabilities. This air conditioner comes with 3 different cooling speeds. That's right, you get to choose exactly how hard you want it to work. And if you're looking for an even more precise way to cool your space, there are 3 pre-programmed modes to help you out. Want to turbo boost the airflow? Done. Need some extra dehumidification action? Easy peasy. Now let's talk about fan control. The LG 10,000 BTU features a fantastic 4-way air deflection system that lets you direct the flow of air exactly where it's needed. That means if you're trying to cool just one corner of your room, or even create some targeted dehumidification zones, this unit's got you covered. But don't worry about energy consumption. We've got an energy saver mode that'll keep you on track, while still keeping the air flowing smoothly. When you set a desired temperature with this feature, the compressor will automatically shut off once you reach your target, so you get the cooling action without the waste. Plus, there's also a dry mode that can remove up to 2.9 pints of moisture per hour, perfect for those humid summer days. And when it comes time to clean or replace parts, don't worry. The LG 10,000 BTU features a washable filter that's easy to swap out and keep running smoothly. You'll also get an insulated unit that keeps the cool air in and the heat out, so you can enjoy your space without worrying about it getting too hot. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this thing worth the investment? And my answer is absolutely. With its powerful cooling capabilities, energy efficiency, and smart features like 4-way air deflection, this unit really delivers on all fronts. Plus, with a solid 4-star rating from us here at Channel Name, we know you're in good hands. So if you're ready to experience the future of air conditioning, check out the link below for the best price on this incredible LG 10,000 BTU through-wall air conditioner.